Asuntosköyhtiö
Yesterday is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September. Here's Jänislahdenkatu 7 staircase F, and this is definitely the last staircase, and this residential building is sixth and last one. There are 6 of them.
Yeah.
With 8 floors. This is in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Pirkanmaan, Finland. And this is a suburb that we should have gone to before, but we had gone to many other ones. But we came here today. There are 8 floors. 6 quarters, so 320 grams. Built in 1974, turned 45 years old in 2019. As in numbers, he has 36, 56, and we inspected in 2023. And of course, you can watch all the 5 other ones here.
Yeah.
This one has a different light, a bit different as its lampshade is different.
Yeah.
So in this one, the lampshade was probably changed.
Yeah.
Maybe in the 1990s. Just cannot stop laughing about the stickers he has. It was trying to make a fool of ourselves.
Yeah.
Like somebody was opening the door. But yeah, but it was only the elevators, it sounds.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah. That is so memorable.
Yeah. Inspected by QI inspectant, maintained by Soinis Urakointi.
Oh, there's a stairs to the machine room. Let me see it. Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.